This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how coffee is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Before the aroma, before the roast, the journey begins here. Inside this vast coffee factory, raw green coffee beans arrive from farms across the world. Each burlap sack is carefully unloaded, inspected, and prepared for the next stage of transformation. Under the glow of warehouse lights, forklifts glide between pallets as conveyors quietly hum, marking the first step in turning simple green beans into the coffee millions will soon enjoy. These beans carry the character of distant soils and climates. Quality checks ensure only the finest harvest moves forward. Every movement here is precise, calm, and deliberate, because great coffee begins long before the first roast. The story becomes even more intimate. A steady stream of raw green coffee beans pours into stainless steel hoppers, cascading like a natural flow of energy. Every bean is different, some lighter, some denser each, one telling a story of soil, climate, and harvest. The sound of pouring beans blends with rhythmic mechanical clicks, signaling precision at work. Here, accuracy matters, because consistency begins at the very first touch point. This is where the foundation of flavor is quietly defined. The journey continues through a maze of precision. Cleaning and sorting machines move in perfect rhythm, removing every trace of dust and debris. From above, the process feels almost choreographed. Tear jets, filters, and sensors working as one. Steam vents rise, and light flares cut through the space, adding cinematic depth to pure engineering. Only clean, uniform beans move forward, ready for the next critical stage. Inside these enormous automated roasting drums, the heart of the process comes alive. As the steel cylinders rotate slowly, thousands of coffee beans tumble in perfect motion, absorbing controlled waves of heat. Here, temperature and time are balanced with absolute precision, unlocking aroma, sweetness, and depth of flavor. Once the roasting is complete, the beans enter a critical cooling phase. They move across wide cooling trays, air flowing beneath them to quickly stabilize temperature. This rapid cooling preserves the aromas and flavors developed moments earlier. From here, enclosed pipelines carry the beans forward in a steady, controlled stream. The sound of flowing beans and soft metallic resonance fills the space. Nothing is rushed, because protecting flavor is just as important as creating it. Each bean settles, releasing heat while holding on to its aroma. A smooth, sealed journey ensures consistency before the next transformation. At the smallest scale, the transformation becomes truly visible. Under intense, controlled heat, coffee beans shift in color, green fading into golden tones, then deep, rich browns. Inside each bean, complex reactions unfold, releasing gases and reshaping structure. Natural oils slowly rise to the surface, giving the beans their sheen and aromatic depth. A soft crackling echoes through the roasting chamber, marking critical moments in the roast. This is where science, timing, and craft unite to define the final character of the coffee. After roasting, Precision takes over once again. Robotic arms work alongside skilled operators, guiding the beans into high-accuracy grinders. Each machine is carefully calibrated, adjusting grind size to match different coffee styles and products. Fine or coarse, every setting is chosen with purpose and tested in real time. Sensors monitor consistency, while experts make final adjustments by hand. Every batch is refined, measured, and tested for quality, because the perfect cup depends on accuracy at this final stage. In slow motion, the final form takes shape. Freshly ground coffee falls like dark, velvety powder into waiting collection bins. Dramatic light reveals every particle, highlighting texture, richness, and depth. The air fills with aroma as the grind settles, smooth and consistent. Each cascade marks the completion of a carefully controlled journey. From raw bean to refined ground, this is where craftsmanship becomes ready to brew. Every grain carries the work of the entire process. Texture, aroma, and consistency meet in perfect balance. This is coffee refined and ready for the cup. Speed and precision define the final stage. Along high-speed conveyor lines, freshly ground coffee flows into branded bags with exact measurements. In an instant, each bag is vacuum sealed, locking in aroma and freshness. Rhythmic sealing clicks and pressurized hisses echo through the packaging hall. Every seal protects flavor from air, light, and time. This rapid process ensures that what leaves the factory tastes as rich as the moment it was ground. Here, quality is preserved, ready to travel from the line to your cup. Details matter at every step. Automated labeling and date stamping machines move in perfect sync. Each package is marked with precision, ensuring traceability and freshness. Rollers glide smoothly as seals click and soft hisses release pressure. This final touch guarantees consistency, confidence, and quality in every bag. From above, the scale of the operation comes into focus. Robots and skilled workers move in harmony, stacking sealed coffee packs with speed and precision. Bright industrial lights illuminate an organized, efficient flow. Every movement is synchronized, every roll essential. Together, technology and human expertise ensure each package is ready for the world. Before any product leaves the facility, it faces one last check. Under lead inspection stations, workers in safety gear examine each sealed package. Weight, seal, integrity, and appearance are carefully verified. Soft beeps confirm accuracy as the ambient hum continues around them. Every product is checked because trust is built on consistency and care. The journey comes full circle. Inside the guarded loading bay, forklifts lift and place branded coffee boxers onto waiting delivery trucks. Warm factory lights glow in the background, reflecting the work of every stage before this. Engines rumble softly as final checks are completed. From this point on, the coffee begins its journey beyond the factory, ready to reach cafes, stores, and homes around the world. As the day comes to a close, the full scale is revealed. The coffee factory stands illuminated, metal rooftops reflecting the soft glow of evening light. Steam rises gently from vents. A final breath of a day's work completed. From raw green beans to finished packages, every step has been carefully crafted. This is where precision, passion, and process come together, creating coffee meant to be enjoyed far beyond these walls.
And that's how coffee is made. Disciplined from start to finish.